This is why I'm getting a new key barrel on the Jeep. Even though it's a well looked after vehicle and the mileage isn't that high, someone said if you have a really heavy key ring, that can cause this problem. I'm in a car park now. It's been working well for a while if I just push it in hard and turn, but my new barrel hasn't arrived yet. It's unusual long time. Normally everything's here in 5 days or so. So it's been probably 2 weeks now. I should check online. But anyway, I'll show you what's happening. Yeah, it's really annoying. It just... Oh man, I got lucky. Basically, I've been slamming it in and turning it, slamming and turning it. Sometimes I've been smacking it with my hand and then turning it. I've been sitting here for 10 minutes trying to do this, and I thought I'd film it for for the YouTube clip. And guess what? I'm a liar. So anyway, I have a clip that does show you, and I'll patch it onto this this one. Jeep Live. You know, it's in park, handbrakes on, foot on the brake, and nothing. See, and in the beginning, like, I was really stuck in town, and yeah, so as a temporary fix, I would just, like, someone said, "Oh, hit it with a hammer, it'll be fine." I'm like, laughed at it, but actually a whack does help. I would, like, just make it feel like, there you go, like that, and it would, like, pop in and turn. For some reason the key doesn't want to go in the entire way. Just by gently pushing it in, it just will not go in unless you boom whack it. So that is the reason. As you know, I've been having problems with my key in the Jeep ignition, and I saw this kit from Rock Auto where you can change your barrel but keep your own key. Now, it did take a while, but I did get an email from the shipping company saying they're sorry, but there's been a delay in the transportation, and which is great, better than them not telling you. So apparently this here is the barrel that goes in the car, and somehow this copies your key, which is quite intriguing. It's got the instructions on there. I'll make a clip on it. Step 1, insert the vehicle key, check that it's fully seated in the lock cylinder. Swiftly rotate the key clockwise 1 turn. Rotating will occur during the coding operation. Rotating the key clockwise 1 turn. If unable to rotate clockwise, start step 4 and then repeat step 2. Step 4, the coded lock cylinder key will be released from the tool, which is this. And then I guess you stick it into here, and then you put that together into the car. So you don't have to have new keys made, because these have transponders in them, and that makes it usually very expensive. So having to change the lock and get keys with it, that's all great, but you have to get transponder keys made to suit the barrel. This way, and it wasn't much more than a normal barrel, you can make your own barrel with your keys, and yeah, no need to get transponder keys made. So I thought, why not try that? So I'll do a clip on installing it, setting it up, installing it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. It'll be very interesting because, you know, a lot of money is spent on these transponder keys. Like, you get a new barrel with blank keys but without a transponder. So if you have keys and you need a barrel, mine's completely worn out and knackered, this is the way to go. I never knew these existed. So anyway, I'll leave it at that. And when we've got some nice weather outside and the sun's shining for today, I'll set this up and I'll show you how to install this barrel into your car.